We had to find somebody that had full cycle product development expertise. We wanted, the very best product development in the world, but we had a startup budget. And we found that in Railsware.
I found Railsware because as a non-technical founder, I needed a brilliant technical mind to bring this idea of mine to life.
I've worked with other consultancies in the past that have worked on separate projects than the rest of the team, which is fine. But if you want to solve a bigger problem or work on really more complicated things, you need one larger cohesive team. And that's one of the values that I get out of Railsware. They're actually embedded into my team. And so we can work on more complicated work. And you can only do that if you're reviewing the same pull requests and working on the same product together.
Railsware was really instrumental in helping us get organized. They took us through somewhat of a facilitated brainstorming approach that they call Inception.
Before they wrote a single line of code, everybody had a clear understanding of what needed to be done and what risks needed to be mitigated so that things were done right the first time. And what that resulted in is high quality of work, high quality code, and we saved a lot of money because things were done right the first time.
As BrightBytes has been growing, Railsware has been able to scale up really quickly, has been super flexible with changing products and changing demands with us internally, has been able to integrate very successfully with our engineering teams.
Railsware also brought in a testing culture into the company. Before they joined, we had very, very low test coverage, not a lot of automated tests, and when we did releases, the quality of those releases was mediocre at best. After Railsware, we now have a ton of automated tests. They've ensured that with new features that they build and also with the US team that we provide good test coverage, and as a result, the quality of our releases has improved and thus the speed of them as well.
So it's been really great working with the Railsware engineers, definitely some of the most talented developers I've worked with in my career.
I've worked with Railsware for several years and across 2 companies, and I would certainly refer them.
They are a partner, not a vendor. So they're just as invested in our success as we are.
I've been so pleased with the work that Railsware has done that we now started working with them to help build the next set of great products here at KVH.
Railsware has been very integral in helping make some key decisions to help BrightBytes grow.
We found a world-class firm. They gave us the best possible chance of success.
If you want high quality throughout your entire product process, clear communicators, and you want engineers and designers that can actually work well with your team, then Railsware is certainly a fit for you.